Injection. Example: the nurse gave me an injection to relieve the pain. X-ray machine. Example: the doctor used an X-ray machine to check for any broken bones. Stethoscope. Example: the doctor used a stethoscope to listen to my heart and lungs. Blood pressure cuff. Example: the nurse placed the blood pressure cuff around my arm to measure my blood pressure. Thermometer. The nurse used a digital thermometer to check my temperature. 4. Intravenous. Example: the nurse started an IV to give the patient fluids and medications. Defibrillator. Example: the doctor used a defibrillator to restart the patient's heart. Gurney. Example: the paramedics transferred the patient onto a gurney. Call button. Example: the patient pressed the call button to ask for help. Prescription bottle. Example: the pharmacist filled my prescription and gave me the medication in a prescription bottle. Syringe. Example: the doctor used a syringe to draw blood for testing. Catheter. Example: the nurse inserted a catheter to help the patient urinate. MRI machine. Example: the patient had to lie still in the MRI machine for detailed imaging of the brain. Wheelchair. Example: the hospital provided a wheelchair to transport the patient to the operating room. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.